Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to make that super popular witch cauldron that you see everywhere on like TikTok and Insta Reels, and so I thought I'd share with you guys how I made mine. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is grab a witch cauldron. I got mine from Amazon and this one is like a small size. If you want a big witch cauldron, they sell those at like Joann's. Then I grabbed some of this really pretty orange velvet ribbon from Dollar Tree. And then we're going to tie this around the cauldron to add a cute little bow, and this actually turned out to be a little wider than I wanted it to be and shorter. So what I ended up doing was just cutting the ribbon in half. And I also cut off the wired part, and then I just glued the two pieces of ribbon together to make it longer. And so now I'm just going to tie my little bow around the cauldron, and then I just trimmed off those end pieces. Now I'm going to stuff some old fabric into the cauldron to fill it up. I'm also going to use this little jar that I had around just to fill it up some more. And lastly, I'm just going to top it off with some pillow filling to make it look like it has like smoke coming out. I got this old skeleton from Dollar Tree a while ago, and then my dog just chewed off its like legs. So I'm going to use the legs and stick them into the cauldron to make it look like a body was being cooked in there. A lot of people use the iridescent Christmas ornaments as the bubbles for their witch cauldron, but I wanted to put stuff inside of my bubbles, so I got these clear ornaments from Amazon, and I love that they come in so many different sizes, and so I'll link these for you guys in the description box. And so yeah, I'm just going to stuff a bunch of different things into my little bubbles. The little skull heads I got from Dollar Tree, same with the hands and the spiders. And then these little eyeballs I got last year for an eyeball wreath I made. And then I have these little mini ping pong balls, and so I'm just going to stick the eyes onto the balls to make it look like an eyeball. Now that I have my bubbles ready, I'm going to start gluing them onto the cauldron using some hot glue. And so I'm gluing the bubbles onto each other. I made sure not to glue them directly onto the cauldron, and I'll show you guys why towards the end. I wanted to give the bubbles a little bit of a sparkle, so I wanted to try out this dimensional magic thingy that Mod Podge has. It's supposed to be like glitter glue, I guess, and you guys, 10 out of 10, I do not recommend this stuff because it dried down so patchy and streaky. I should have just used Elmer's glue and then like sprinkled glitter on top because I did not like the outcome of this. I mean, from far away you can't really tell, but like up close it just really bugs me a lot. Anyways, I'm going to use these purple fairy lights and wrap them around the bubbles. And so right here, I'm just lifting my bubbles off of the cauldron so that I can place some fairy lights in there to make it look like there's also light coming from inside of the cauldron. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're done. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy. Happy spooky season, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!